Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms, and garden really early in the season, but the garden is coming along very good, and it's gotten to the point now that we're going to have some salad with dinner tonight. So we're going to cut some lettuce, and we're going to do the cut and come again method, and was going to talk about that a little bit. When you're growing lettuce, the nice thing about that is you cut it and it'll just keep growing, and you'll get about 5-6 cuts off of it. But you can also just take like basically as much as you need for a meal and leave the rest, so it doesn't, you know, sit in the fridge and kind of lose its flavor, lose its nutrition. So we're gonna cut a little bit of this. I've got a few different types of lettuce in here, and I'm gonna kind of go through what you need to do for this cut and come again method. Now first, as you see it growing, the main thing is the crown, which is in here. It'll be kind of hard to even see, and we're probably not going to cut enough to even get to it. But there's two methods of doing it. One is you find out where the crown is and you just cut above where it would be. Now we're not taking that much lettuce. We're going to take a little bit of several of these different kinds. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start from the outside, and I've got my scissors here. You can also do this with a knife, but you kind of start from like the very outside and snip your lettuce leaves. That one didn't get snipped all the way. And I'm just taking from, like I said, the outside. I'm not getting into the crown in the middle. And in a little bowl to put them in, I'm going to take a couple of different ones. We got some spinach here. I'm going to take a little of the spinach. You can do it with spinach as well. With this one, you can kind of see the crown. Hopefully, that was a little smaller. Hopefully, I didn't hit the crown with that. A little of this. We had romaine, we had iceberg, we had some butter crunch lettuce. It's all kind of growing in close together, and that's nice. It kind of keeps makes it a little easier for the weeds, where you don't have the weeds as bad, and also it keeps the soil cooler because it has shade on the soil. So we're going to go through, we're going to cut a few more of these. I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to cut the rest of it, and we'll see the end result. All right, so there we go. We got our lettuce leaves. Hopefully that's going to be enough for two of us tonight. And really doesn't, can't even tell that I took that much off of it. But where I cut it, it'll grow back to where it was pretty much in a day or two. It doesn't take long. So just want to share that with you. If you enjoy the videos, please consider subscribing to our channel, giving us a thumbs up. It's all appreciated, and it helps the channel grow. And if you got questions, or you'd like to make a comment, always look at the comments and try to respond if if someone's got a question. Till next time, it's Matt with McGee Farms. Have a great day.